2 Corinthians chapter 3 verses 5 to 6.
Not that we are competing
In ours,
ourselves, to claim anything for ourselves, but our competence comes from God. He has made us
competent.
competent. Not of the letter, but of the Spirit. For the letter kills, but the Spirit gives life.
Romans chapter 10 verse 17.
Consequently, faith comes from hearing the message, and the message is heard through the word about Christ.
Proverbs 31 verse 30.
A child is deceptive, and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised.
1 Timothy chapter 5 verse
Anyone who does not provide for their relatives, especially for their own household, is denied the faith and is worse than an unbeliever.
8. Ephesians chapter 5 22 to 23.
Wives, submit yourselves to your own husbands as you go to the Lord. For the husband is head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church, his body, which he is the Savior. However, each one of you must also love your wife as he would himself, and his wife must respect her husband.
Psalms 127 verses 1 up to 5.
Unless the Lord builds the house, and the builders labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the guards watch in vain. In vain you rise early and stay up late, toiling for food to eat. For he grants it to those he loves. Children are a heritage from the Lord. Offspring a reward from him. Like mighty arrows in the hand of the warrior are children born in one
Youth.
Blessed is the man whose quiver is full of them. They will not be put to shame
When they contend.
when they contend with their opponents.
Proverbs 29 verses 17 to 18.
Discipline your children, and they will give you peace, and
They will bring you
the delights you desire.
where there is
Where there is
no revelation,
people cause of restraint.
but blessed.
But blessed is the one who heeds wisdom's instruction.
Proverbs 22 verses 5 to 6. In the paths
The paths of the wicked are snares and pitfalls, but those who preserve their life will stay far from them. Start children up in the way they should go. Even when they are old, they will not turn from it.
Oh, shelter of grace, guide me through each day. In your mercy I'll find my way. Lost in